Come on, big guy. Let's go. Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm sorry for the long AFK, but I've been stuck in the US, and to be completely honest, my mood's been just way down because everything just went wrong. None of my plans really worked out. I was supposed to leave over a month ago, and I'm still here because my passport is just not getting done. The agency that is supposedly working on my passport right now is still in phase 1. If you guys are familiar with the passport agency phases, they have 3 phases now. So phase 1 and 2, they're basically not taking any expedited passports or anything like that. Only in phase 3 they're gonna be taking expedited passports. So I can't speed up the process as much as I want to. I'm just stuck waiting, and I have no idea how much longer I'm gonna have to wait for. It could be 1 month, it could be a week, it could be 6 months. You never know. And nobody can give me any information. That's the most frustrating part. So my mood's been really down because of it. But anyway, today is a beautiful day, and I'm just walking little guy in a completely different place now because everything is just really repetitive where I'm living. It's just the same scenery over and over every day. So I decided to drive like 30 minutes to a really nice park, which is like almost like a little forest in itself. It's a private park, so we're not supposed to be here. Technically, we're not allowed to be here if we're not residents of this giant area, which is like huge, massive, rich, super rich houses. But I used to sneak in here with my buddies back in the day, like years ago, just to skate around. So it is what it is. I don't respect this rule. It's a stupid rule not to be allowed here. I guess in certain situations they want to be safe in their little area, but it's not a gated community or anything like that. So hey. Spartan, come on, this way, buddy. This way, come on. It is extremely hot today. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I'm pouring sweat. Just so hot. It's a nice little, I guess, swamp, you can say. Nice little swamp here. Looks pretty filthy, but at the same time, it's quite beautiful. really peaceful.